Hi guys, it's Amy with A2Z Stamping, and today I want to show you how to make this cute little notebook. I love the Dino Days paper, and it's so cute, and I love that there's pink dinosaurs, and I wanted this from, I made this up for myself. I actually made this for myself because I needed a new notebook, but it was so easy to do and turned out so cute. I thought I'd make another one and show you guys. Isn't that adorable? So let me show you what to do. So you need to start with any composition book. It doesn't really matter. They're all pretty standard, and I actually like the I forget what you call this, the wide. I just prefer that. Anyway, that's me, but get whatever composition book you want. I think they're all about the same size. So my composition book here measures, let's see, it's almost 9 3/4 by about 7 1/2. So you want to get the measurement of it from the edge of your black. So I'm at about 6 3/4, and then like I said, this one's about 9 3/4. So that's what you're gonna need to know. And you want to grab a piece of designer series paper. So I'm using the Dino Days paper, and you want your length to be the same as your length there. So again, I said about 9 3/4, but line it up and measure it exactly. And then I just, for the width, I did 6 inches, and that works out fine. So what you want to do is put the, isn't that so cute though? I'm dying. This paper is so cute. Okay, so we're going to stick our adhesive. And I want a good amount of adhesive, and I want it to line up exactly with the edge. So I'm going to turn it this way. Okay. And my composition book has a little bit of rounded corners. So I'm just actually going to grab my snips and just kind of follow along. You could use a corner rounder, but I found it's not exactly the same. So it's easier just to use your snips. All right, next you need a piece of cardstock that coordinates. This is Lovely Lipstick, and this is 2 3/4 by, again, the same as your length. So mine was a little under 9 3/4. So, but you want it to be 2 3/4 because it's going to go right over the top like so. So let me get the adhesive on that. So I want a good amount of adhesive around all the edges so I don't get any peeling. Sorry, was I totally just off the screen? I'm not even paying attention. Okay. Okay. All right. And before I finish this up, I'm going to flip it over, and I like to cover the back. So I have another piece of Lovely Lipstick. So this one is measuring, it's just under 7 inches. So it's about 6 7/8 by the 9 3/4 again. Okay, and again, I'm going to just line this up right, oops, come on, line this up, back, and press, and again, I need to round my corners, around, and around. I use a lot of notebooks. I like to make lists, so I have lots of lists. All right, and then to finish it up, I grabbed the polka dot ribbon because, well, it's my favorite. And I'm going to, so you have a couple options. Before we glued it down, we could have put it under the Lovely Lipstick, and that's what I did with my first one. So it's actually glued under the Lovely Lipstick. Or we can go around the whole notebook, and I decided to do that this time because, you know, why not? And so we'll just go around, and we're going to tie a cute bow. And this way I can move it. That's why I decided to try it this way. Okay, so since we are tying a bow, it is going to crinkle this up a little bit. So I want to make sure I have it nice and straight. Around. And there's my bow. Okay, that looks good. Okay. And I need to cut it off so it's not too long. And then to finish it off, I grabbed the, I think they're called the Dinosaur Elements. I'm not sure, but these ones are in the, is it called Pretty Peacock? I'm not even positive what color it's called. But these are, they come in all different colors that match with this suite. And I'm just going to stick a couple of these right on here. And that is my notebook. And you could do this with any paper you have. So if you want to make something more for a boy or more for a girl or more sophisticated, we have tons of designer series paper. But aren't these so cute? I'm dying. They're so cute. I can't wait to use these. The notebook I'm using right now, I'm almost done with, so I'm going to whip these out. I can't wait. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks, guys. Bye.